on building that shelf that I was telling you about in my first episode. That you can pretty much, if you have a shelf anywhere, you can pretty much build a little grow space. Like, for example, our shed, we emptied out all the stuff we were storing in here because we found another place for it. And so what I'm going to do after James just cut this counter from our garage, which we're also cleaning out, we're going to use that as like a base for this next grow area that I'm setting up. I'll show you. These are the little protective films that you see up there. There's like 6 of them in this pack, pretty cheap. I think it was less than $10 on Amazon. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap this around just like a layer on the backside here, so it'll help the light coming off those LED lights. I might even use those old setups up there just because I have them. So I'm planning to grow a lot more, or see if I can grow as much as I can this year, considering the demand is going to be greater. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll show you what it looks like after I finish. And yeah, and once I get things set up, I'm going to show you, my next plan is to show you how to plant in these and the different styles of setups you can have. You don't have to have a hydroponic setup. That's just something I've grown to love because it's really good for propagating those seeds at first. Gets the roots really strong, and then you can plant them into dirt. So I'm going to show you both ways. I'll show you how to do hydroponics if you decide to go that route, or if you want to plant seeds into dirt. I'll show you different pots you can use, different seedling trays for that option if you want to do dirt. So stay tuned. I'll show you what it looks like soon, and then stay tuned because I want to get you guys really set up for springtime, in time to have to gather supplies if you decide you want to get your own setup, and have these plants ready to plant in your garden outside. If you choose to do that, you can have that ready to go as soon as we have our last frost, which is usually Mother's Day is when you want to plant outside. That's when I wait, but I get them started indoors so they're big and strong, and ready to get adapted to the outside. So now is really the time when I start beefing up my seedlings and my grow, to get the plants strong for the next few months, so they get a good I guess boost. You'll get a longer grow season the sooner you get started. So stay tuned. I'll be able to help you guys with that pretty soon. So thanks. Bye.